All right, so for the first time ever, I actually ordered something else with it because the box was too cool. So let's open this up, see what else I ordered. I was like, oh yeah, baby, this and this. So let's get all this out of the way. Now, I know you've probably seen this box opened about 15 times by now, but guess what? Homegirl don't care. I'm gonna open it with you in our extra special way because the only thing I have seen are the spoilers that Erin Condren has shown us on the Insta and all that jazz. So let's see. All right, may the beauty of your day take your breath away. This is a very pretty box that, unfortunately, I probably won't be reversing. So may the beauty of your day take your breath away. Love it. All right, guys. I'm excited because the word on the street is it's all floral business, and I'm about that life. Okay. All right, so we know what some of this stuff is. Let's get the box out of the way. We know what some of this stuff is already. So we know about this bad boy because this was a spoiler, right? It's our lunch tote, which is pretty freaking awesome. Velcro top, beautiful purple flora, and you can use it just like this, obviously. Look, the bottom pops out, and it's a good size, just like this. So that's pretty cool. It's got snaps on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. Let me check and see if you can see that. Look, it's got snaps on the inside so that you can keep it like this if you don't want to bust it open. You know what I mean? Like the reinforcements. So that's really awesome. And if you don't know, we're going to show you. So you unsnap this and unvelcro. Check it out. And it just lays flat. Now, not only is this clearly thermal to keep, it says cold. I wonder if it would keep things warm as well, but it's one of those easily wipeable deals. And then it just, look, snap, snap. Oh, snap, I mean snap. Trust me, that was operator error. And then we fold it right back up. And it velcros, and it's back to your lunch tote again. Ta-da! Wow. Who doesn't love something like that? All right, let's go to the next sneak peek that we saw, which was these pastel productivity page markers. Not too bad. I like. I think they're very, very cute. I wonder about their stability, so let's open them up. And check it out. They're metal. Hear that? Let's grab a book and see how they look on top. Okay. Sexy monthly planner, bust out March, and so they tuck on there pretty well. That was one page. Let's see about two, because you definitely can't get a chunk of paper in this without bending it, I fear. So that's a nice tight fit right there. What does it look like when we close our planner? All right, it doesn't stick out too bad, and that still feels pretty solid. I like. Let's do one more thing, because I'm like this. And oh, look how pretty they look together. Oh, there we go. So nice. Check that out. I like. You like? I think that's pretty cool. All right, next up to the things we know about is this sexy ballpoint pen and valet tray. All right, a valet tray. So this sucker is cork, and it's actually very cool. Wow. I mean, this is not fake for any intents and purposes. That's a real Solid item there. All right. Voila. All right, so the pen looks pretty cool too, even though I think it's pretty clear. Erin Condren, your girls aren't using a ton of ballpoint pens. I mean, I might be wrong, but this one is beautiful. It's got the flora pattern on it, and it's wood. And it's like smooth and sleek. The top of the pen is pretty heavy. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see how she writes. This was one of the other things I was going to show you because I got, I'm addicted. That is so ridiculously pretty. So let's see. Not bad. I mean, it writes like a ballpoint pen, but it's nice and sleek and comfortable. Like, you know, sometimes there's ridges in them and it hurts your hand. It feels nice. Like this even feels comfortable. I like. Hopefully, I'll find something to use this with, but this looks like something that would slide nicely into the pen holders that I always struggle with. All of the other, you know, gel pens struggle. Anyway, all right, so let's talk about some things we don't know about. Stickers. Okay, so we see stickers. This is definitely the flora pattern, but on colorful stickers. That's interesting and fun, right? That's the first time we've seen something like that. I've always been on the flora colors, so that's really cool. I dig that a lot. Wow. Boy, they missed the mark on that one, didn't they? With the only flora colors, because that's really fun. Dear EC, I wish you would make flora designs on fun colors in your planner. So these are beautiful. These are like those washi stickers, delicate paper-like stickers, but they're gorgeous. I mean, not for nothing, we've seen this style of sticker before. I think these are the kind of stickers that are in the sticker books, the flora sticker books. So very nice. I actually might use these, and I'm not gonna lie, I rarely use EC stickers. They just aren't my jam. They don't do it for me most of the time, and yeah, but these, I'm gonna try to put those in a planner. All right, it looks like we have 3 things left. So let's go with this notepad. All right, Erin Condren notepad set, 25 sheets per pad, 50 total sheets. So I'm not, and you know, I don't think these are the coolest things I've ever seen because I feel like we just saw a bunch of these on, didn't they just come out? Something like this, sticky notes like this have come out just recently. So, I mean, I might be wrong, but this is definitely no exclusive for sure. But let's open it and check it out because it doesn't mean I hate it. I dig it. This is always pretty. And I think that there is nothing wrong with a couple of cute notepads. So I like them. I like the fact that they have the flora on the back. I'm not sure how that coincides. Like it doesn't jive for me, but it's still pretty. I like. Sticking with that, they have given us some sticky notes. This is a half jobber. And it's stuck to the full jobber, which I think is kind of silly because how you get it off then? Yeah, I mean, do I have to pull it apart? Okay, anyway. The cool shapes of the sticky notes I like just because it keeps the fun in the sticky note. For years we had traditional sticky notes and whenever they get in a cool shape, I dig it. All right, last thing. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is an exclusive, but I've been known to be wrong before. And if you see, it's a straw. An EC straw with a straw holder, a little straw baggie. Very cute because it is flora. You know what I mean? So that's really cute. Other than that, I mean, did you ever crack your tooth on a metal straw? I have. Anyway, I don't know, it's like coppery, rose goldy, orangish, copperish, and then a straw cleaner. Because trust me, you need it. You wouldn't believe what comes out of your straws after you use them. Yeah. So check it out. Both go in our little pouch. And it goes in here. and we look so ridiculously cool because all our business matches, and in some way, shape, or form, we've pulled in some of the other items that have come out in Flora, and now we just look like we have our lives together. Whether it's true or not, we look like it. All right. Okay, so this is what we do. We go over it and see how we feel about some of these things. So, beautiful front card, open it up, and it gives us the explanation of all things. And make sure you tag us on social, want to win next season's box, yada yada. Portable and reusable, less plastic, no waste. Lunch tote doubles as a placemat, cloth pouch for eco-friendly utensils, and just your notes and all that jazz. So let's talk about it. Here, we'll even go so much further as to just write this down with our new pen and all that jazz. All right, so we have this Flora Sticker Pack Duo. That is an exclusive, and that is $6.50. Do I think it's worth $6.50? In the world of stickers, of course, that is a great price for stickers. Do I think it's worth it? Yeah, I mean, because it goes along with the prices of stickers. Would I buy it by itself? Here's the dicey thing, is I actually probably would buy the Flora pattern on these colorful stickers. I'm not sure if I would buy the Flora stickers because they're everywhere already. So there's that. All right, the Flora, let's see. So the Sticker Pack Duo, it's this, okay? I really like this with the colors, and I'm not gonna put this away. I'm going to try to keep this one around and make good use of it. All right, next up is the Lunch Tote. That is an exclusive, and it is $18.50. So where are we at here? We are at $25. Do I think this is worth $18.50? Maybe $15? Would I buy it for $18.50? Yeah. Yep, definitely would. And it's an exclusive. They have lied about things being exclusive before. What I could see happening is this coming out maybe in the new styles that are coming out in with the new launches and in different patterns. So this just might be a preview, but hopefully it's coming out in the new patterns, whatever they are, right? That would be cool. So yes, I would buy this. Is it worth $18.50? Yes. Would I want to pay $18.50? No. I want to pay like $15 would be cool. So let's drop it in here. 18. Oh, I put it there already. Way to go, dumb butt. All right. Sticky notepad set number 3. So this one, $6.50. I mean, I guess seems par for the course, which is kind of why I am not arguing that one. Would I buy this? No. All right, that's $6.50, so $31.50. Okay. Next up, portable reusable straw kit for $10.50. Do I need another reusable straw? No. Is this really awesome? Yes. $10.50? Like, how about $8? $8.50. Why so much of a markup on a reusable straw? If you want people to be eco-friendly, then you also need to make it wallet-friendly. And $10.50 for one straw, a pouch, and a brush is not my jam. I would not buy this for $10.50. But I like it, and I'm glad I have it, and I'm putting it in my in my bag to travel with it when I leave on Tuesday. So there's that. All right, what's up next? Ballpoint pen and valet tray. This is really cool and different, and yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. For $20, not on your life. Nope. There ain't a day on this earth that I would pay $20 for a ballpoint pen and a cork tray. Am I glad I have it? Yeah, it's really freaking cute. Am I sad that this is light inside? Yeah, because I was about to throw my pen in there, and Lord knows I would freaking have written right inside of it on day one. The snaps, I don't know why. Like, what do the snaps do for us? How does this help us? I'm not sure. Is it straight decor? Because it might be. But maybe I'm missing something. Is there a trick about a valet tray that I don't know? Is the pen gorgeous? Hell yeah. $20? Nope. All right. Next notepad set for $12. So clearly I am enjoying it because here, $12 again, par for the course. Although I think that these are like 16 or something, and you get 2 of them, and they're big, and I don't know. This will slide in the back of my agenda, so I'm not sad about that, and that's kind of cool. What did I say? Oh, $12, so let's say 12. I hope my math is right, because I'm not coming back to edit this, and that would be janky if I was wrong. All right, so yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I don't think that it is super pretty. When you have like things to put on your desk and like you need notepads, then I think that that is pretty cool. I don't really need this though. You know what I mean? I'm an on-the-go kind of person, and stacking up little things like this, I don't know, not my jam. All right, so last thing. The productivity page markers. Guys, I think that these are gonna be a hit. I like that they don't stick out a ton. I am going to go and use them immediately, and I'm pretty pumped about that. So I dig these, and for $6.50, that's a huge hell yeah for me. I think that that is a great price for those 3 things. I think I would even pay like $8.50 for those, which is strange because I was so cheap on the other things. All right, let's see. What do we got? We got straight up 80-50. I hope I'm right. I really do, because the way that this is portrayed is usually like an $80 value in a $40 package of the box. I think that sometimes we forget how much we all keep and collect these boxes, and whether that be that they are used or what, but the box is also, I think, really part of what we love about these. So let's not forget that the boxes do cost money to make, produce, and all of that jazz. They may not be reflected in this exact number, but I feel like they're reflected somewhere. Maybe a 50-cent bump up in the price somewhere on there, but the box is reflected somewhere, and I take that with a grain of salt, and I thoroughly enjoy the box. This box is gorgeous, and I'm glad to have it and add it to my collection because they have really been knocking it out of the park lately with the boxes, and I think we all know that and really thoroughly enjoy that. All right, so exclusive sticker pack, exclusive lunch tote, exclusive sticky note pack, exclusive straw, sneak peek on the valet tray, exclusive on the notepad set, and sneak peek on these. So that makes me so excited because they are really cool, and I hope they come out in a bunch of different colors because that would be freaking awesome. And other than that, guys, I think we're good. I think we covered it all. So hopefully you realize that besides the little hiatus that I am about to take to go on vacation to a wedding, I am back on YouTube, and I appreciate all of you for missing me so very much. And let me know how you feel about this box. Did you get it? If you didn't get it, are you pissed? Are you mad? Are you sad? I'm sure somebody hates it somewhere. I think it's a win overall. I love the fact that all the stuff kind of jives. These two really don't match all that much, but not terribly. Somehow they managed to pull it together with that. I don't know. But anyway, you guys are awesome. Keeping this one short and sweet. Let me go make a plan with me right now so that you guys are not disappointed. And I'm going to let you see my face. So, as usual, enjoy this, share this, tell your friends. We'll always have a link to the current box when it's on sale. Remember, they're not always on sale. When they sell out, we have to wait an entire quarter to get the new one on sale, but you can always rely on coming back to any of my videos to find my affiliate link. When you use my affiliate links to shop, it helps me buy other things to help review for you and keep you in the know. It also gives EC that window into who's following me and that my stuff is getting attention. So even if you can't buy anything, click through my links even when you're browsing, because that's a big help too. They know all the clicks all the time. All right, guys, so you are amazing as always, and thanks for watching my business because, you know, I've been gone, got a new job. I'll talk about that in a different show, though. You are amazing. Make good choices. Be good people. Peace.